Hey guys, welcome to my channel Take Care Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta and today in this video I am going to show you how to install SSD in your PC with install Windows 10. Follow me to install the SSD. How to do I install it? First shut down your PC and take the SSD out of the box. After that remove the desktop computer case. Locate an available 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch drive bay depending on the SSD side inside the case. Some cases may have dedicated SSD mounting bracket. Secure the SSD to the select drive bay using the screw. If using a mounting bracket, attach it to the SSD first, then install the bracket into the bay. Once the SSD drive is installed, find a SATA data port on the motherboard and connect the one end of the SATA data cable to it and the other end to the SSD. Once the SATA cable is connected to the SSD, find a SATA power cable from your power supply and plug it into the SSD. After the power connector is attached, your SSD is installed. Then close the case, reattach the side panel of the computer case. Then plug in the power cable. After the SSD is installed, now you need to install Windows on the SSD. For example, I will install the Windows 10. To install Windows 10, first you need to insert the bootable pen drive into your computer. After insert the pen drive into the computer, start the computer by pressing the power button and immediately go to the BIOS menu by pressing F2 or del button. After entering the BIOS menu, first go to the boot menu bar, go to the hard disk drive option and press the enter button. After going to the hard disk drive option, you can see that two options will appear. First option and second option. In the first drive option, you have to put the bootable pen drive. After inserting the bootable pen drive in the first drive option, then press F10 to save the BIOS setting and your PC will automatically boot Windows 10. Then click to install now. If the product key is present, enter it and next. You can also skip the product key, select the custom installation, check the custom box and then click the next. My SSD is brand new and showing unlocated page. For that, first you have to click on new and create a drive for installing Windows. Follow the step as I am creating. In the same way, you create another drive. Select an installation partition. Double click the partition on which you want to install Windows. Wait for Windows to finish installing. Your computer may restart several times during the process. As soon as the computer restarts, remove the bootable pen drive from the computer. After Windows install on the computer, you will ask the setup few more preferences like language, account name, email address, etc. before you can begin using Windows. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.